Every second, your body is under attack by billions of invaders, bacteria, viruses, fungi. Your immune system, a hidden army, keeps you alive. A rusty nail cuts your skin, the first barrier is breached. Bacteria rush in, multiply fast, and begin their assault. Macrophages strike first, swallowing enemies and calling for help. Neutrophils arrive, ruthless killers that also damage healthy cells, then self-destruct. Dendritic cells collect enemy blueprints, rush to the lymph nodes, and activate the perfect helper T cell. Orders are sent, memory cells to prepare for next time. B cells transform into plasma factories, unleashing millions of targeted antibodies. They neutralize bacteria, mark them for death, and feed them to killer cells. The tide turns. The enemy is wiped out. Most soldiers die off, but memory cells remain, ready to stop this threat before you even notice it again. Your immune system, a microscopic war machine, fighting for your life every second.